down. Split S. Okay, Dave Johnson's coming in for an overshoot maneuver with his Siemens Schuckert.
Next maneuver will be an overshoot. Begin maneuver. Landing.
Dave is down. The radar dome is not turning yet, but it will. Chinese version of the Russian Tu-34 of a B-29. This is the real Gary Parenti taking off. There goes Gary. Kent Walters and his award-winning Dauntless. Here comes Kent in his famous dive. Drops his bomb. Here comes Mr. Pinniger and his Chinese Tu-34. He didn't make the radome turn this flight. I don't know why, but that usually turns around. Overshoot for Gary Parenti, I guess. Gary is coming in. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, oh, oh.
Very good, very good. Sorry.
Buckley. Wayne Seward's P-47. Aerotech models.
And that's why he's telling me.
Next maneuver is the figure 8.
Down and dirty flyby. Gear up. Jeff Foley. MU BF 109. Gear up. Touch and Go by Wayne Seward's P-47.
Nice.
Down and dirty flyby for Jeff Foley.
When he clears the veils down there.
Okay, we're lining up.
Jack Buckley's coming into a pretty good headwind, but it's right down the runway, thank goodness. Very nice, Jack. Okay, Jeff Foley is coming in. David Hayes into position. Very nice. Hey, we got Tom Polipink, who is a new contributor to World War I Aero, right?
That's correct, yeah.
How'd Leo twist your arm?
Well, he mentioned that Luca Fardi, who does the model column
Right.
for both Skyways and World War I Aero, is going to step down from doing World War I
I
Aero.
see,
He's
okay.
going to continue to do Skyways.
Okay.
And he just gave me a call, asked if I'd be interested in doing it. And I said,
Wonderful.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, we can't wait to see your first one.
Yeah, I'm working on it already. So
Good,
it
good.
won't come out till, I think, January. or
Okay.
so.
Well, congratulations. Okay, David Hayes is coming in. Oh, look at that, sports fans. Little wind out there. Okay, the Newport 28 is going to try the grass, even though it has a real good stiff headwind. Should be okay. Oh yeah, nothing to it. It's turned deep. Look how deep that grass is out there. The whole tail end is sunk in. You can't even see the wheels. Wow. Not for me, thanks. Okay, Glenn Riley is into position. Buck Wolf. Oh. Good S. Hey, Larry Shepard is in position with a Sopwith stutter. In the air. Sean is backing out with his Hellcat. Overshoot. Fly faster, Sean. Touch and go for Larry Shepard. Down and dirty for Sean. Okay. Went in for his landing. Down, he kept the nose down. Good, good, good. He didn't bounce. Whoop, whoop, win. You are watching part one of the 2003 U.S. Scale Masters Championships at Wright Field, Dayton, Ohio. Part two will be shown on Scale Aircraft Show Volume 170. Tune in. Halftime demonstration Saturday. A Raptor with smoke. Turbine. Oh, he's running out of smoke. And land. Next time around. The Raptor is coming in. This is the halftime show. It's a beautiful afternoon on Saturday at the 24th annual U.S. Scale Masters Championships. Right field, Dayton, Ohio. Right field. These are the old hangars over here. They have restoration there now for the museum. Actually, those are probably newer than the ones we're coming up on. And there's the runway that goes up the hill, which they haven't used for eons. And then the main administration, I guess, for right field, which is no longer an airport, really. They don't fly airplanes in and out anymore unless it's a special occasion, dawn patrol or something. And there's the old hangars there. A lot of aircraft in there that belong to the museum too. A lot of presidential airplanes. Yep, this is a historic airfield. This took over from McCook Field that used to be over on the river in Dayton. And then we move on out to the museum itself. Started with just one big Quonset type building. Now they got 4 or 5 of them, I guess. That's the museum there. Free of charge. Okay, it's really windy out there now, but it's down the runway, thank goodness. Mike Barbie, team scale. Uh-oh, I missed that one. Back and try again. Crop duster. Oh, nice one, Mike. Very nice. Okay, Larry Sutherland is turning into position for takeoff on Saturday. Round 3. From Fresno, California. You're up. Down and dirty flyby by Larry Sutherland.